What is going on, guys? So is here, the YouTuber that helps you invest to rest. And in today's video, I'm gonna be giving you guys a full review here on the Gemini crypto app. Okay, I'm gonna give you guys the pros, the cons, what do I think about this app, everything about it, including all the fees that this app has. If you want to download and try Gemini, if you use my referral code in the description and comments below, you get $10 free in Bitcoin that you can buy or sell after you put in $100. So let's get started here. Before I even get into Gemini, let me just show you this amazing cool feature here that they have. Is like a widget that many apps out there actually have, where you can literally put on your iPhone screen on your page, and you can see the price of any crypto that you want to see that's in Gemini. So right here I have Ethereum, so you can even click it and it'll go to it in live time. So that's a pretty cool thing to know here if you really like that, if you want to have it in your home page. So I just opened out Gemini here, and to the first impressions with Gemini is that it's a very simple user interface. I really love it. It makes it very simple for anybody to just get into crypto and just to understand it, and see all the cryptos here and understand the charts. Is very simple. Okay, so right in the home page is pretty cool. Here at the top you can have your favorites, right? Your watch list. You can have your top movers. It just shows which one has the biggest moves, whether it's good or bad. Then you got the top traded, which ones is being traded the most. Then you got the recently launched, which is pretty cool because Gemini is usually going to put a lot more crypto in their app, hopefully. And then you got DeFi, right? The cryptos that deal with DeFi in Gemini. So let's click one here. For example, let's look at Bitcoin. So you click on it. The graphs are very simple. You got the 1 hour, 1 day, 1 month, 1 year, and you can sort of go in between it and see the day and time of the price, right? And then here the alerts, you got alerts here that you can literally put market alerts or create a custom alert that you can put for a certain price that you want to get in at. And then if you scroll down, they got all the good information here, like the market cap, the volume, 24-hour volume, circulating supply. They got the all-time high, all right, in US dollar. And then one cool thing here that I love, especially for newer beginners in crypto that don't understand it that much, they got here the about page about Bitcoin, and it tells you a lot about it, right? And I love this because there's many cryptos out there that's in Gemini that many people don't know about, and you can click on that and learn about it. If you wanted to buy, just click on buy, and just make a one-time purchase or recurring one time, and then you click your amount and then you can buy. Now the buying on Gemini is very simple. It's you can buy instantly, right? After you link your bank, it has ACH, right? After you link your bank, and then you get that money, whichever amount that you want to deposit it in. So all you gotta do is go right here to the settings. Okay, you want to go to manage payment methods. That's how you add your bank. Now to deposit, you click right here, deposit in Gemini. You click US dollar, and then you click bank ACH transfer or wire transfer if you want to do that. That's how you add money. And then right after you add the money, you can use that money to buy crypto. Just make sure you have the amount in your bank, or else you might get a fee. Okay, so, if you don't have the same amount in your bank that they're going to take it out of in a few business days. And you can also deposit other cryptos here into Gemini. Okay, so Gemini has wallets for all their cryptos, so you can deposit and bring it on here into Gemini. Now moving on to the next tab here, as you guys can see, it says Earn. This is called Gemini Earn, and in my opinion is one of the best features for Gemini, and I'm gonna tell you why I love this Gemini Earn. The main thing is that they have APY on all their cryptos. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys here each one. One of the main things here is that you can earn interest right away. There's no minimum that you need in order to start earning interest on your crypto. And another big thing too is that you earn it every single day. It's paid out every single day, based on the day, of course, right? So you're gonna get APY is annual, so you're gonna get the annual. You divide that annual amount by 12, and then you divide it by days or whatever, right? So it's a very small amount they get every day. But the cool thing about getting it every day is that it compounds onto the next day, onto the next day, onto the next day. So that's my thoughts on it. It's really cool that you can compound it daily, right? So right here, the Gemini dollar, 7.4 APY. One of my favorite ones here, Polygon Matic, 1.51. Obviously it's not a lot, but at least it's something, right? Chainlink, got Uniswap, Filecoin. There's a lot of variety here on Gemini, and hopefully they can add more and more as time goes. So all you basically do is, after buying it, you click on it and then you press Earn, And one thing to know too, that it's not locked. It's not locked for like 7 days, 30 days. You can redeem it. For example, here I have the Filecoin. All I gotta do is to take it out. If I wanted to, is I press redeem, and I can redeem it and then trade it and sell it at any time that I want. And also when you click on it, it tells you here how much you made in the 30-day interest so far. So right here I made 6 cents, obviously not a lot. So the more you have, the more you're gonna make on interest here. So that is Gemini Earn. In my opinion, is a great feature, and I hope they add more cryptos here into Gemini Earn. So right here you got the portfolio. Now the portfolio, whatever you put on Gemini Earn to earn interest on, it's not going to show here in the trading balance, right? Your trading balance is what you're able to trade. If you scroll lower, it tells you your earned balances. So basically it's telling you how much the price is for your Gemini, the cryptos that you have in Gemini Earn, as you guys can see right here. And like I said, all you gotta do is click on it to redeem it if you want to be able to trade it in the future. So your portfolio is very simple, again, very clean. It has the graphs here, the simple graphs. It has all the cryptos here in Gemini Earn, transaction history, price alerts. It's very clean and simple. You know, I really love this user interface, especially for beginners, like I said. And then moving on here, we got pay. And pay is basically you can use your crypto, okay, in these stores, as you guys can see, these merchants, to buy things, you know. And all you click right here, you get the Gemini dollar. You have a bunch of types of cryptos here: Bitcoin, Day, Ether. And what's cool is, talking about the future here now for Gemini, I actually made a video, you can check it out in the cards, is they're coming out with a credit card, a Gemini credit card partnered with MasterCard, and you can earn up to 3% on any crypto here in Gemini. So for example, if you wanted to earn 3% on Dogecoin, you just go right here, toggle Dogecoin, and you'll get up to 3%. Now in that video I go into more detail about the card. You get 3% if you're dining, if you're using it for dining. You get 2% I think if you're using it for groceries, and then you get 1% or on any other thing that you buy, right? Which I think is pretty decent, and especially for the fact that you're basically getting it back in any of these cryptos here, not just Bitcoin, because a lot of them are just Bitcoin. Well, this one you could this one you could get your cash back on any of these cryptos, and you get it in live time. So whatever the price is at that moment that you use the card, you're gonna get it at that price, which could be a good thing or a bad thing. In my opinion, it's a good thing because it's just like a passive way to get crypto, right? So that's one of the cool things. If you're more interested and you want to join the waitlist, just check out my video here, and I go more into detail on how to join the waitlist and basically get the card. Alright guys, so moving on to the fees here, which in my opinion is very important, right? I think everybody, when they're looking to get into a crypto app or anything like that, they look at the fees, whether it's withdrawal fees, trading fees, because fees make a huge impact in the crypto world. So let's look at the fees real quick. So the transfer fees, in my opinion, are really good. There's no deposit fees, free if you're depositing crypto, or if you're putting money from your ACH. Now the withdrawal fees are great too, in my opinion. One of the best. Okay, basically the way that withdrawal fees work for Gemini is that if you have less, the cost is less or equal to 10 per calendar month per withdrawal, it's gonna be free for all of these cryptos. Okay, as you guys can see, it says free for all of them. Now if you have more than 10 per calendar month, right, then there's going to be a small fee that in my opinion is not really that much. I did for example, this one is 0.001 ether. I just checked that right now and it's literally like $2 or so. But like I said, you can get it for free, a withdrawal for free, just for being less than 10 per calendar month. So you can get free withdrawals on Gemini. So in my opinion, if you're looking to buy crypto, okay, at a good price, and then transfer that to like a Ledger, your hard cold wallet or something like that, then Gemini is a great one to do so, because there's no withdrawal fees basically. Now one of the main things that I actually made a video on it, because it's pretty big, okay, especially if you want to save money on buying crypto in Gemini, is the mobile fees. The mobile fees are super high, okay, and I'm gonna tell you how to save money. I made a video on it, but let me just save you time and tell you guys here. So the mobile fees, for example here, if you're buying on your phone and you're buying crypto, and you're basically paying less than $10, let's say you're gonna buy $7 worth of Bitcoin, you're gonna pay a $1 fee, transaction fee, which I think is really big, right, compared to other apps out there. Now if you're buying one that's between $10 and $25 worth, you're gonna pay $1.49. So that is major. Okay, you don't want to do the mobile fee. I don't know why they have the mobile fee. Obviously the smaller amount that you buy in the mobile fee, you're gonna pay a higher transaction fee. So what you want to do instead is you want to turn on the active trader. Okay, and you turn that on by logging to Gemini. You go to gemini.com, you sign in with the same password and email that you made your account with on your phone, and then you turn on the active trader, and then you buy on the website. Why? Because the fees buying it on the active trader on the website is literally 0.35%, and I checked, and it's literally like 35 cents, 50 cents, depending on the amount that you're paying for. So it's just a huge difference, guys. In my opinion, just do this, buy it on the website, especially if you're buying like $10, $20 worth of something really low. Just buy on the website, and you're gonna save a lot on fees, like I said. So Gemini, in my opinion, has great fees, especially with the free withdrawals that you can use. And when you buy it, it's at a good spread. It's not like a huge spread, and the fees are pretty good in my opinion. So overall, I really like Gemini, and the only thing is I hope they keep adding more cryptos here. As you guys can see, they already have a huge variety, but I hope they add more like Cardano or other cryptos out there that are coming into the space. And I really love the earn feature here. We can earn basically in compound daily. And I also love the fact that in the future they're going to have a credit card that you can earn 3% cash back with no annual fee on the card or anything like that. So there's a lot of good things here for Gemini, and I'm very optimistic with this app. Use my referral code and you get $10 free in Bitcoin once you trade up to like $100. So that's it, guys. That's my Gemini review here, and I hope to answer a lot of questions. And if you guys got any more questions, leave it in the comments and I'll definitely respond to you in minutes. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.